So finally, we have another mind-blowing AI image generator, and it's called Z-Image Turbo. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use it online completely for free. First of all, head over to the Hugging Face page. The link is already given in the description. Once the page opens, you'll see an option called Z-Image Online Demo. Just click on it. After that, you will see a prompt box where you can type anything you want. I'm going to write my prompt here. Now change the resolution to the highest available for better quality. Then select the aspect ratio. Since my prompt is cinematic, I am choosing 21:9. Leave the rest of the settings on default and simply click on generate. Just look at the speed. It's insanely fast. This is actually mind-blowing. Let me quickly download this image. And wow, just look at the quality. It looks super clean and detailed. Now I want to try something different, so let's create a portrait. I'll write a prompt specifically for a portrait, then set the aspect ratio to 4:3 and click on generate. Let's see what we get. And here it is, just look at the colors. The photo looks very natural, and honestly, I love the result. It's impressive for a free demo. So go ahead and try it out yourself. I'm not exactly sure about the daily limits, but for now, it's completely free to use.